Hi, welcome to Share Experience. Today we are going to see that machine hour rate, how to calculate for the component. And this sheet actually it's required. There are two three major calculation, which is one is for material calculation, another one is for any kind of a tooling involves, and then the machine hour rate. And once your machine hour rate is defined, then we will have that process cost based on the machine cost. So this sheet will have that making perfect cost for the component as well as to meet customer cost expectation, and then competitive price with your competitor. I hope this sheet will be the best in best. Part piece can be calculated in below head. So one is, as I said, material cost, and then tooling or die cost, which really applicable for any kind of a plastic, rubber, and aluminum die casting. Then any kind of a sheet metal toolings which is applicable. Sometimes what will happen, a customer will give that upfront cost, and otherwise they will ask us to amortize and add it into the piece price. As I said, it's a machine cost. Today we are going to discuss that. Then there is a material overhead, and then process rejection. It is a small cost contribution is there. Then our general overhead and profit margin, which is a minimum 15 to 25%, which we can play with that. And nowadays logistic is the major, and packaging forwarding is one of the best thing which we need to add upon to the customer satisfaction. So once the packaging forwarding is involved, then we need to share with the customer the approval of the packaging. Then based on that it will be add upon that. Sometimes what will happen, customer will give that pick up that part from your facility. Shown that there are different types of machine. One is turn mill, then CNC, there are drop 30 to 25, then drilling machine and drilling tapping machine. We should know that the complete machine price, which is here it is taken, a turn mill is 55 lakhs, and then CNC is 15 lakh 50,000, then drop is 8.5 lakhs. And that accuracy of the machine, we assume that it is a 25 years, we can have that life of the machine also 25 years. Then office common space, like if you are having that 2000 square feet office space, and the soft floor area which you have that, and then based on that you need to put some kind of a consideration each of the machine which is required for office facility. So we have considered as a 50 square feet which may require, and power in kilowatt for the particular machine, it is a 7.5 kVA. And then unit price, the power cost I incurred in this particular area, it is 9 rupees per unit. And then wages for this the operator, which is 20,000 we have considered. So once you put all these values on the 7 columns, so automatically it will calculate that the tooling and caging, we are default calculation is 3% from the machine cost. So it is automatically calculated, and then end of the life, what will be the machine here after 25 years. So the machine cost is less than 1 lakh rupees. Plant space is required for the particular machine. So while placing the machine, how many square feet which is required for this, that is mentioned here. And we have calculated it is 25 rupees consideration of a square feet, and based on that for 108 square feet which is required, 3,950. Then the shift which we consider, it is a 2 shift basis, and then 10 hours per shift, and based on that for 300 days how much hours we are having it, and based on that per month how much hour we are having it. So these are the first sheet, first half of the sheet, which you have to half sheet you have to fill and balance, it will calculate automatically. So now we are seeing here is the machine cost per hour. So this also we have defined in the different heads. One is a fixed head and another one is a variable head. And this again it will calculate automatically, and it will give that, for example, machine cost per hour for a fixed price, which is 37 rupees 77 paise, and then rent cost, insurance, and interest on loan, and depreciation cost, wages, and then power cost, consumable cost, and maintenance cost. These are the cost per hour. If your machine is idle, so your 240 rupees will be wasted. The same way, variable cost is nothing but any kind of a consumables, maintenance, and wages and other things. So if you see here, finally we will get a cost per minute, that is 9 rupees, 9.3 rupees per minute for the particular machine. And then cost per hour is your machine should run 556.4 rupees per hour. So if you are running in this condition, so you will have that best machine cost calculation. And then along with that, you need to add upon that which I earlier explained that. I hope this input is helping to understand that how to calculate the machine hour rate, and at the same time I will, in coming videos, I will put that how to quote it to customer perfectly based on along with the machine cost, then the material cost and other things. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching us, and keep on watching for the further update.